The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Sound. Now you can hear me? Man, go to webinar, fellas. I apologize. I guess it just took, ordinarily sound starts immediately. And I guess in this case, it took a second to catch up. Not sure why. You guys know how I feel about go to webinar. In any event, guys, good morning. Well, we just had a bot trade. Good morning. And for those of you that are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. We have a trial that started today. I historically do not begin trials after Wednesday. But if you're in the room, I think it's Tony. I could be wrong. Good morning, Jacques. If you're in the room, your trial will end next week. And on Monday, I will go over everything. So for today and tomorrow, I would suggest you just sit patiently and kind of observe. For the rest of you that are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Today is day 4 of your trials. Tomorrow, all trials will end, with the exception of the gentleman that joined us starting today. As well, today will be the last day that I send out an email update to you all. Tomorrow, I'll give you guys just a brief presentation, give you an opportunity to express your interest or lack thereof. It's been a good week. Bots are up. We did have a down day yesterday, but that was to be expected with FOMC ordinarily, or were we not running webinars or trials, I would have had no interest in running the bots in the morning. But nonetheless, as soon as this trade completes, come on, there's first target. First target hit and filled. As soon as this trade completes, I will go over bot trades. I have shut off my bots at this point, fellas. We do have an abundance of 8:30 news. All right, so here's where we're at. NASDAQ bot is currently up $25. ES bot is down 150. Crude bot is up 490. We have an ECB decision coming here, guys. You may want to shut your bots off. Abundance of news between 8 and 8:30. YM bot is up 135. And today is Thursday. It's natural gas day. I did not and will not run natural gas today. I will not run it on inventory day. If I do, it would be after inventory, but with inventory at 10:30 and the room generally closing at 11, I probably will not run natural gas at all today. Frankly, I'm not even watching it. I've changed the chart to SPY. In any event, good morning. Let's read the disclaimer. I'll tell you what we've got coming up here. And we will get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, so I had a third account fund. I needed $17 on an account, which I got this morning. I did $35 on a trade. So I have a third account funded, guys, in the last since last week. Anybody else fund anything that I missed yesterday? Okay, let's get on with it. I had a 23 target. We just hit 21. If anybody wants to take some risk off, I had a 23 if you're trading multiples. If we can get above that, if we can get above 28, my target becomes 45. So your prerogative, there you go. Target would be hit, guys. This is a PA account, by the way. Morning, Don. We can break out of this trend line. We going. 27, got to get above 27. That swing at 29. And then 35. We get above 35, this sucker rockets. A block seller here, 10. All right, so we got 15 ticks. Trade them as you see fit. New 5-minute bar at the point of control. Stopped right at resistance. Gave 15 ticks, fellas. Got target. We're just trading into a lot of overhead up here. It's unfinished at 23. All right, you can have it. I got 3 ticks. It went 15. Still think that this thing can do better, but the small time frame is blocking us. Non-farm payrolls is a burn one to earn one. Yeah, that's big news, guys. Some of you 8-10 charts. Bonds have hit target already. Well, I didn't put a bond trade on, unfortunately. Natural gas is getting a bid. Gold is rolling over. Guess we're waiting on Christine Lagarde, fellas. So if it's in your trade plan, 62.7 was your short on gold. It's a daily breakdown with a target at 59, 59.1. I don't have any interest in revisiting FDAX, Patrick. Nobody trades it except you and I, and maybe there's 3 other people that'll trade it, but most of these guys won't trade FDAX. I can give you levels if you want. I mean, I get the data. Anybody sell gold at 62.7? You have 20 ticks in it already. Anybody sell gold? Okay, nobody sold gold. 59.1 is your target. Sold 62.4. Okay, Arjan. There you go. That's why you make all the bank, brother. Should come to 59. You might even get 58 too. There's a buy zone in there. 59, 59.1. I mean, hell, you're 12 ticks away from that target. That's the beauteous Maximus trade, brother. Yeah, Jeff. If I guess apparently Apex lets you trade FDAX, but you need Eurex data, which is $30 a month, and a lot of guys don't have it. Don't have Eurex data. Guys, 41.80. Okay, Caleb. 41.80 on the gold just hit my target. 59, 59.1. Boom, chakalaka from 62.7. And still going on gold. It's in a buy zone, though. It's a better long coming up than it is a short at this point. Only one guy took it. And 58. We got that 58.1 as well. Man, gold is panging. Any of my order flow guys know how we got that level? I mean, we nailed it. Anybody tell me how I got that level? Indeedly do, Arjan. Indeedly do. That's exactly right. But look at the zone below it. Remember I said we could come to 58.1? Look where we stopped. Nice job, Arjan. I have Ninja Renko, yes. Oh, yeah, 80 is a short. I would short 80 with an 86.7 stop. NASDAQ got my target, I believe, 68 to 70. Oh, my God, 67.5. Missed by 2 ticks, but hey, who's counting? I just can't buy highs, guys. I don't care where it's going. I'm not buying highs. especially in pre-market. I'm not buying highs. NASDAQ's target today, we could get 800, believe it or not. We could get 800. Gold's next area for a potential bounce is 55 even. Sammy Hagar, I can't drive 55. It's still holding this support, 59 area, but it could come 55. Get rid of natural gas because I'm not trading it at all. Let me look at gold here. If gold breaks down below 55, it could come to 40, fellas. I don't know why it would, but dollar index, which I'm not looking. Let me look at the dollar index. Dollar index should be, yeah, crude's getting whack-a-mole. I'm not selling bottoms. You guys know that. Let me look at dollar. Hang on, guys. Dollar should be getting killed. Dollar index. And not really. It is hourly shorts. It's not 10-minute shorts. I would expect the dollar to come down. Crude, I think that was the old whack 'em ahead of the open counter trend. We'll see. All right, fellas, it is 9 a.m. I will be back after my breakfast break in 20 minutes. Anybody have any questions? Yeah, that 58.1, if you now get above that, you've got to get above 59.3 or 4, and we could trade right down back up to 64. I don't know that it does, but I'm watching gold. Just be careful of a breakdown below 55.3 or so, because it could be it could literally be a free fall to 40.3. All right, guys, we'll be back in 20 minutes. Anybody have any questions? Before I go, let's take a look at gold real quick. A lot of sellers in gold. Man, block buy. Look at the block buys. 60.2, huge buyers. Buyers at 59. I mean, they're buying them all the way. They're buying them all the way down. I think this has a better shot of a bounce than a continued move lower. I would probably buy 55. You have sellers here too, which is crazy. They're buying them though in here. You got a 321 buyer here. I mean, or you got a 321 buyer here, a 176 with blocks. Look at the box here, a 150, a 187, a 295, a 231. I think they're just clearing stuff out. All right. Here we go. And they're off. I think this thing wants to go straight to 800. I'm selling 80 on the ES. I'm selling 80. That I can tell you. I have one pending at 80. I mean, but this thing looks like, holy shnikes. This could be a blowout, guys. This is just a straight, unadulterated runaway train. Runaway train on the NASDAQ. This thing wants 800 today. I cannot buy NASDAQ unless I get a pullback. ES did not make 80. You can cancel ES for now. Bots are on. They're not taking any trades as of yet. First area of support on the NASDAQ is 81. 81. Disregard my, let's see, 87, 84. Yeah, okay, I'm good. 81. There it is. Long 81. Come on, baby. Here we go. If you took 81, you got target 1 and target 2. You got both targets. Something about Germany and Leopard tanks. I have no idea what that was about. Putin says we have many friends, including on the American continent. I think Putin's starting to believe his own rhetoric. Supports 81. You guys get that? I'm watching a dump truck full of charts, guys. Anybody get 81? Okay, Marcia. I mean, hell, 91.01, that was almost a 30 handle bounce. All right. ES just shorted on the bot. It's crazy, guys. It's really volatile. My NASDAQ is not taking trades, but the bot is frozen. Look at this. Putin saying we will deploy more than just tanks. All right, got both targets. Shut them off. I don't know what the hell is going on. Let me see where we're at, guys. 71. Yeah, this is okay. I don't know what's going on. Turn it back on. My NASDAQ bot is frozen. Consequently, it's missed 2 nice longs. That's because of NinjaTrader, for those of you guys that are on trial. Let's see where we're at. We're at 10. This is good. YM. Putin is sure in his victory. Hang on, guys. Hang on, guys, 1 second. Yep, I heard that. Out on target 2. ES bots up 800. NASDAQ holding support at 03. God, this is stupid. 26.13, great support. And 62. Crude is short on the bot. ES moving lower. Not watching the YM is moving lower. They're buying the shoot out of the NASDAQ, and I don't know why. They're just buying the NASDAQ. All right, guys. NASDAQ support is 78. You could buy 90. You can buy 90 on NASDAQ. Didn't get there. Came to 93. Yeah, but I don't know. Listen, don't ask me. What do I know? I wouldn't have bet money we'd be here. So, all right, guys. 78 support and 90 support. I would recommend you trade very. Oh, shit. Freaking Ninja, man, for real. I gotta wait. I gotta wait now for Apex, fellas. Yeah, but Mimi, you're trying. You're trying to get too specific. Fuck. Build. NASDAQ's coming down to 78. I'm going to short NASDAQ. If I can get a pullback to 04. NASDAQ's a short now. Target is 74. All right, target one only on ES. Come on, back up. All right, give me 92. I sold 2 at 92. It's just micros, guys. My target is 71, 72. We go again. Come on. Careful that trend line. Look at this on a 10-minute. Target one filled. Target one filled. Anybody short? Anybody short? We got target one. Yeah, I was hoping for an 04 as well. And we held this damn 77. We do have a fair amount of sellers in here. We've gone 599, 363, and 134. Trying to get this final target around 72. So I'm at 73.50. I'm above the 72 support. We're holding 10-minute support. I'm out. I'm out. You can have it. We held 10-minute support. We could bounce right back up to 03 and then 10. 03 and 10. Crude has been decimated. NASDAQ short on the bot again. Got target 1. Out. Up 1770 today on the NASDAQ. Guys, at some point, you may want to turn these bots off. They're up a staggering amount of money. Here comes 10 o'clock news. My Dom is obviously frozen. IMF just made a comment that investors may be too sanguine on disinflation information. They're selling them pretty hard, fellas. What sucks is, all right, NASDAQ should work down to 625. Support, resistance on a move back now is 72. You can short 2 at 70. Well, I can't. There we go. Long on the YM bot. Got target 1 already. Target 1 hit and filled. $72. This is resistance right here. Got both targets. I don't care about resistance anymore. YM bot up 1755. It's $55 ahead of the NASDAQ. Doesn't even hold resistance at 72. Good Jesus. We don't care. We want 800. Just checking. Nothing. We're going to probably trade to 05. We have 6 now. We have next, 706. I'd take too long on a move above 89. So 89. Sitting on support here, you could buy it here. You could try a 71. I'll try 2 at 71. I'm not going to get it. We're now 81. I guess I'm long. Yep. Nothing like a little freezing. With 400 net buyers in here. 71 is support. She already spoke. NASDAQ long on the bot. All right, guys. Resistance, fellas, is 94. Above 94, we get 05 to 10. Got to go above 94. What is a pisser for me is with this goddamn Ninja and all the freezing and issues that it has, I spend hours doing charts for the room and, for the members. Hours. And then when I have to do a force shutdown, I lose it all. Target 1 hit on NASDAQ, I lose it all. If this gets out on target 1, 1835 NASDAQ, it's got to get over 94, guys. That's the line in the sand. Right about there. If we get through that, this goes to 5. My Dom is frozen. Now breaking support. And I can't even close an effing trade. Fucking ninja. Seriously. Effing ninja. I don't have any support until we get to VWAP. It's 120 sellers, guys. Get up through 76. This gets through this level here, 76. It moves back up into the 90s. Come on, pop 71. There we go. 76 popped. Now we're going to trade back into that 94. There we go. If we break 9, I mean, this is how bananas this is, fellas. This is how stupid bananas this is. There's the 94. Trade small, guys. Come on, go get 05. Give me target 1 at 05. All right, YM's long on the bot. Come on, 05, target 1. Oh my God, a losing trade on the bot today? That'll be a first. Let me go to a bigger time frame, guys. The small time frame, it's too volatile. Yeah, man. 56 was a good entry. And then below that, 25 on a 15-minute bar. And then resistance. This should get to 08. 09. Should get, come on, that's not what I want. Should get 08, 09. Yep, here comes this 05 now. Here's the push to 05. Guys, give me NASDAQ's up 1287. Guys, this is insane. So as of right now, remember our weekly average on the bots are 4,200, right? 1287 plus 710 in crude, plus 1835 right now in the NASDAQ, and 1275 in the YM. The bots are up 51.07 and 50 cents. Thank you, Randy. Bots are up $5,100 today, guys. It's 10:11. NASDAQ's going to short again. Just shorted. All right, Brett. See you tomorrow, man. Big loss on that trade. Bots done. I'm shutting bots off for the day. They are done. They've made enough money. That's all I needed. One losing trade, I'm done. That's it, guys. Still up $4,300. Done. Done. Five-minute, we're getting awfully wicky, but we're building a wedge. I mean, my money's on longs to 05 from here. Support is 72. And then 59. $5,300 net buyers. Their support 72. Wasn't paying any attention. All right, I hit 72 long with 2. Looking for a break to 05, guys. Yeah, I love the new bot. I'll get those settings in the member area. It's a I mean I gave it an education if you guys were in education last Saturday. Guys, in this volatility, I have obviously deviated from, the plan I sent you guys. I'm not trading 4s or 6s with micros in a PA account. I'm trading 2, and I'll add in. But, this is just holy bonkers bananas. I don't know what the hell, why we can't get above this little swing high here at 90. There we go. Come on. Get above that little swing high, and that's my first target, 05. I still can't get 05. Try to get 0450 if I can, just ahead of the resistance at 05. It's got 5-minute resistance. It's got a push at 97. Yeah, out. Building. So this is what's. Bear in mind, this is only a 30 range now. See you tomorrow, Rich. I'll buy 73 again. No, I won't. This thing is moving faster than I'll get out. Didn't even hit set. Yep, to the tick. Crude, I have nowhere to, nothing. Let me look at it. Smaller time frame. No, I have nowhere to get in on crude. Guys, for the afternoon session, I'll have my charts all redone. There we go. Now we're breaking up. We're going to walk into that 05. There it is. Now I got now we broke. I told you, I mean, I know we're going there. It's just next level up, fellas, 28. 28. So 05, 96 is now support. 05 maybe on the back test. If you want to hit an 05. Nope. If you're long, target is 28. If you're long, target is 28. Well, I guess I'm not getting long, am I? ES, I've not paid any attention to. That's probably, let me get off an hourly, like a chump. You're long ES at 67. 67, you're long ES. $28, $29. Let me just, let's see. All right. Crude resistance at 76.48. Let me find some support on crude. No, that didn't hold. All right. I'm redoing my crude chart, guys. I'm trying to find something easier to trade because this is 28 target hit. This is, as they say, batshit crazy. All right, I got my crude chart redone. All kinds of resistance, 75.50 on crude, 75.50 and 75.98. I'll sell crude 75.50. Trials, you guys good? My Dom's frozen again. NASDAQ target, guys, 800. There's, in my opinion, I don't think there's any way we don't get there today. '07 is now support. 6,000 net buyers again. Crude is a short, guys, up around 49.50. I don't even think you can get there. NASDAQ, you can buy 18. 18.5. All right, long 18.5, but 07 is better support. This is going to have to bust up through 35 to go anywhere. If this gets through 35, we're targeting 750, 760. It's got to get through 35, though. First hurdle's 28. Come on, push 28. Man, it's right there. It is. 28. Now 35. Come on, get that 35. Let's go, dog. And then we get 48. Above 35, we're going to get 48. Come on. There we go. Come on, let's get 48. Man, 400 buyers here. Seriously? All right. '07 is your entry if we can get a damn pullback. Crude cannot find, we couldn't get to 50. We didn't even get close. $74.75 is some support on crude. And then 74 bucks has some weekly support. Weekly. Gold, I so fucking pissed. Fucking pissed. I lost my gold chart. Let me set up gold again. It surely is going to be a whole lot easier to trade than the NASDAQ, which is psychotic. All right, guys. Give me a minute, fellas. All right, Andrew. See you tomorrow, man. All right. I'm just marking off resistance, guys, on gold. Go to a smaller time frame. Obvious resistance. Obvious resistance. Support. We're pushing some resistance here on gold. Almost think you can short this 40.6. Natural gas data coming. Anybody sell gold at 40.6? Anybody? You got 10 ticks in it already. Okay, Doug. I got to go to a smaller chart now, so hang on, guys. I apologize, fellas. I lost all this data when I did a forced shutdown. From now on, when I do my charts, I have learned a valuable lesson. When I do all my charts, I'm going to shut Ninja down and reload it. Then the charts are saved if I ever have to do a forced shutdown. All right, guys. Now gold. Going nice on gold. Going nice. Look at it on that. I'm almost done with gold. I'll shut my Ninja down ahead of the afternoon session. Here comes natural gas, guys. All right, let me go back to NASDAQ, see where the hell I'm at. Yeah, still hanging out. Now we're holding basically this 30 range. We've got to break out above 48 quarter on NASDAQ. We're not going to get any help, I don't think, on ES. Opening range high, guys, is 48. That's, I think, the high of the day. I'm going to take a NASDAQ long here. I'm going to take a NASDAQ long, guys, for a break of the day high. I'm early. The opening range high, I mean, I'm trading 3 micros, so it's not like if we break this the day high, it's support is 34. You can add in at 34. If this breaks the, there it goes. It just broke. It just broke. Blowing up. And I can't even close the damn trade. How about that? Hang on, guys. I can now. Closed. This is your best day ever? You've had $35,000 days. All right, guys. I'm now up 346.50 on this PA account. Yeah, I know. Mark my Domsky. Look at this breakout. I told you we're going to 800, guys. Who thought it was fucking bananas? I'm telling you, we're going to 800 and probably 860. Nice job, James. Okay, not the best day ever, but a $7,000 day is a hell of a day. Guys, listen, is everybody doing okay today? This is make or break on the ES. Is everybody all right today? Is there anybody not making money? Now, if you haven't traded or couldn't trade, I understand. Yeah, I understand that. Okay, got it. Anybody else funded today, guys? Kayla's waiting on 6. Are they passed and you're just waiting? Nice job, Jonathan. Oh, so you passed. That's another one with 6 accounts. Unless you're going to trade 20 contracts for 5 ticks. I mean, as I've said before, and I'll reiterate, these funded platforms are not looking for traders. They are looking for guys that can scalp for the most part. Yeah, you and one other guy. We've got another guy who makes a dump truck full of money in the London session, but he also lives in California, like you. And for him, it's midnight. I'm not getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I am not getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I've done it. I'm not doing it. I'm too old, guys. I mean, I'll die by Friday. Not even for 5 minutes. Listen, I couldn't get up for 5 minutes. If I get up, I'm up. I cannot go back to sleep. I'm up. Guys, this week, can I repeat it? James made 178 grand last year off my calls. I appreciate that, man. Seriously, man. I appreciate that. I'm going through the list, fellas. I mean, I am just dumbfounded. Dumbfounded. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trials this week, 2 are in the room. 2 are in the room. Yes, it does. Ryan, it does move fast. I mean, but I'll be honest, it takes a couple of weeks. The markets normally aren't this volatile. But it takes a couple of weeks to get used to the room. But once you do, and I think that almost to a person, people will tell you, and that's why when I sent you the initial email, the first couple of days are really tough. Unlike most rooms, right? And when I say most rooms, I mean literally 99% of the rooms. 99% of the rooms are vendor only. They literally cannot trade. All they do is sell some product, right? Now, I'm not saying that indicators don't work. There are at times anything will work. But if it were simply as easy as buying, if it were simply as easy as buying, off an indicator, every trader on the planet would be a millionaire. All you have to do is start with 10 grand and be a millionaire. It's just not that simple. In this room, obviously I have what I feel is, and I have statistics to back it up, and comparative analysis, the best day trading robot built. Does that mean it makes money every single trade? No, it does not. Does that mean it makes money every single day? No, it does not. But overall, if you use cash management, much like if you were manually trading, it makes money. There are not many robots that can make that claim. We've done comparative analysis. And at $24.97, I'm on the cheaper side. I mean, you look at, I know, we're going to 860, fellas. This is an unadulterated runaway train. An unadulterated out of control, runaway train. And you've got idiots still buying puts. I mean, and they're just getting tore up and going short. They're getting tore up. Tore up. This market will reverse when they've ruined everybody that's been short. Seriously. It's crazy. But in any event, for the few of you guys that actually took the time to show up today, I appreciate you at least sitting in for the week. Whether you become members or not, you know, I appreciate you coming back. It is mind-boggling how many people did not come back. Mind-boggling. Be that as it may, I know what's out there, so wherever they go, they're, as they would say in the South, they're fixing to get hosed. We can't even get a pullback, guys, to go short. I mean, you could scalp, but this is a crazy move, guys. Crazy straight up. Don't forget, guys, 1 o'clock group today. If you're in the 1 o'clock group, I sent it to you this morning when you said you paid the invoice. I sent it to you. I mean, guys, I'm not going to do any more trades in this morning session. Trading micros, small micros, up 346.50 in a PA account. I only traded one PA account today. I'll take the 346. It ain't much, but hang on one second. No, I will have them, the ones I'm using on the ES in the member area. Guys, ES bot today up 1287.50. Crude bot up 710. NASDAQ bot up 800. YM bot up 1275. And natural gas I did not trade today. It was inventory day. For those of you guys, a couple of you guys that are here on trial, I thank you for your time today. I will send out one final email to y'all today. You guys will have the opportunity to join at a discount, through tomorrow. If you guys are interested in joining our group and owning the bot and have any questions, please feel free to email me or call me. My number's on the website. For my members,